buje jang main group am adu shipo. Government what ekini meeting ro laha banyo da ki permission na ki SDO
Shia la puede nama, bisa.
returning officer but ki district election
Shia
officer.
shia berapa tu nak kita caya. Shia.
Kide India ki bang ide mas.
Hey, sunspot ada na? Sunspot. Hey, sunspot ada na? Hey, sunspot ada na?
Election. My vote is not for sale. Kau vote jongi way ki beladon ki do.
Hey, ada sunspot ada siang.
Kila pacu thied mano re mano. Handrai kade kajing
Bosok,
pa
bro.
kajing sutu jongi.
Nya.
Be kajing ka pa
Oh.
kajong ka sweep sel kalong ba.
Till it is steaming hot. Last but not the least, we must avoid contact with birds and poultry if not necessary. Thank you, Sub-Divisional Veterinary Officer, for a beautiful presentation. I will also request all of us to please support the tablet representation by an impression by clapping your hands. The second tableau is presented by the Office of the Subdivisional Agriculture Amlaram. Agriculture is an important source of livelihood and is also the second greatest source of employment generation. Keeping in mind the eminent role played by agriculture officers of the Subdivisional Agriculture Office, West Jaintia Hills, and has been working in tandem with the farming community in the subdivision, so as to ensure farmer for becoming self-sustaining, both in terms of crop production and income generation. During the year 2021-22, different assistance has been provided to the farmer through the implementation of various development program and scheme. An achievement. Like the PKM Kisan, the farmers can avail financial assistance of rupees 6,000 per year on installment basis. The total number of farmers that have been registered in the PM Kisan portal in the subdivision are 23,250 in numbers. Plant protection scheme, which facilitates procurement of plant protection equipment at 50% subsidy. The state rice mission scheme, which facilitates the procurement of bone meal and hybrid paddy seed at 50% subsidy. And last, the National Food Security Mission Scheme,